Good morning, student. Now your exercise 6.3. So question number 1. Subtract it from 0 to get minus 3. What you have to subtract it from 0, then you will get here minus 3. So you have to remember, whenever you will see this from word, whatever the form, after the from word, whatever the digit, you have to write first always. This is the first number. Then after subtraction sign and missing one digit, which one digit you want to subtract, and to get means equal sign equal to minus 3. What digit you have to subtract it? So the process you have to remember, here you have to write this first digit again 0, then after minus, and again this one digit. This is the second one digit. Now solve it. What is the answer it will come? Then you have to put in this one, fill blank, and fill in blank one place. Okay, 0 minus minus it become plus 3. 0 plus 3 it means 3. So that your answer is 3. Got it now? Here I am explaining another one, then it will be help you. The number must be subtracted from minus 54. So first number you have to write minus 54 minus, and which number you want to subtract? This is the missing one number we are finding, okay, to get minus 98. So what is the process? I told you already. First you have to write this minus 54, that minus sign, and after this one number minus 98. Now you have to make it in box, because two sign together convert into one sign. Minus minus it become plus 98. Got it now? Now here this one is your minus one digit and this is your plus one digit. Minus plus minus, so you have to subtract it. 98 minus 54, then what you will see? 44. So answer is your 44. What is the bigger one digit sign? Plus. So your answer is also coming in plus. So what is the missing one number? 44. This work you have to do in rough copy. Okay, clear it? No need to do in your fair copy. For explanation, that's why I am doing here. Got it now? That integer which is 7 less than minus 11. Then same process, after then word, whatever the digit it came, you have to write first. Okay, so what is my less than one digit? Minus 11. So I wrote here first minus 11, then after for less than symbol is your minus, so less than का symbol लिखा, फिर then first digit 7. Okay, now the process you know it. You have to put the below of their digit sign. ये minus का है, ये भी किसका minus का है. Minus minus plus, तो दोनों को क्या करना है तुम्हें? Plus करना है. So you have to do plus. 11 plus 7 it become 18. Okay, now bigger one digit is your minus 1, so your answer is also coming negative sign. Got it? 1 2 3. Now this one is your predecessor in minus 70. Predecessor means you have to subtract minus 1. So you have to subtract in minus 78 minus 1. How can you do it? This is a minus 1 number, this one is also minus. Minus minus means plus, so you have to do plus the both number, then you will get here 78 plus 1 equal to 79. Now you have to see the sign, which one is the greatest digit? 78, and 78 sign is your negative, so that in answer is also coming your negative sign. Okay, these are the MCQ of, these are the multiple choice question of exercise 6.3. Now next question, question number 2. Fill appropriate sign. You have to put this appropriate sign in between of them. How can you put this appropriate sign? You have to see. When you have to see the together sign, make a box and convert into one sign. So here I converting minus 2 plus minus minus 3, and here is also I can see the together sign, that I convert it here minus 3 plus minus minus 2. Now you can know the another one method. Below the digit you have to write their integer sign. So this one is also minus 1, this one is also minus 1, then minus minus it become plus. So you have to do plus the both digit, then you will see 2 plus 3 it means 5. The bigger digit is your negative, so that answer is also came negative. Same as here, this one is also minus, this one is also minus. Minus minus plus. Now same, so the both place are the same digit. It means which digit you have, which appropriate sign you have to put, this equal one. Okay, now next one, question number 2, that 2 1. This one is also negative, this one is also negative. Negative, negative become positive. So you have to plus them, the both digit, then you will see 11, 5 plus 6, it become 11. The bigger digit is your negative, so then it answer is also came negative. This one is also minus, this one is also plus. Minus plus minus. Okay, now you have to subtract the number, then you will see 6 minus 5, it become 1. The bigger digit sign is your negative, then it is also came here negative. Now 11 minus 11 is a greater and minus 1 is greater. You know it in negative when you will see the greatest digit, this 11. If you compare it only 11 with 1, then you can say 11 is a greater. But in negative integer that we are saying opposite. How say? How we can say? This minus 1, it become, this digit is your greater, minus 1. Okay. Fill in the blanks. What appropriate sign you have to put here? Not appropriate sign. You have to fill the what does it will come in. Fill in the blanks. How can you find it? See, this one is also easy. This number is missing. So what you have to do? You have to minus 8. Then this 4 you have to transpose. When you have to transpose here, this 4 is your positive. When you have to transpose any digit, that digit it will come opposite. अगर वो डिजिट प्लस की है तो वो अगर आप ट्रांसपोज करें तो वो नेगेटिव की हो जाएगी. अगर आपकी डिजिट मल्टीप्लाई में है तो वो किस में हो जाती है? ट्रांसपोज करने पे डिवाइड में. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर ऑल्सो दिस कंसेप्ट. ओके, प्लस का माइनस और माइनस का प्लस, मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड, डिवाइड का मल्टीप्लाई. रिमेंबर दिस वन. ये अपोजिट्स भी होते हैं तुम्हारे. प्लस का अपोजिट माइनस होता है, मल्टीप्लाई का डिवाइड होता है. ओके, सो दिस 4 is your plus 1. If you will transpose in this one side, then you will see this 4 it become negative. So you have to write here minus 4. Now you have to solve this answer. You have to solve for solution. Minus minus it become plus. So you have to do plus. Then you will get here 12. Okay, and the bigger one digit is your negative. So it answer also came negative. So what is your answer? Blank in blank one place minus 12. Understood now? How can I solve this question? Okay, same process we will do here also. This 17, this is a positive 17. If it is coming here, then it become negative. So 0 you have to write first, then after write your transposing one digit minus 17. So here the answer is your minus 17. When you will subtract from 0 any digit, that number itself will come. Okay, so number itself means minus 17. Got it now? Now next one. This one number is missing, so you have to transpose your minus 13. So which one digit you have to write first? Minus 16. Okay, which one work I am doing in bracket you have to do in rough copy. Yeah, you can use pencil for doing near to solution. Okay, ये pencil को use करके भी solution को दिखा सकते हो side में करके. You make a rough column and then after, no need to show this solution in front of the work. Okay, inside one you have to do this solution. So first you have to write that one part, minus 16. Now minus 13 will be shifted in this side, then it become plus 13. Okay, now solve it. This is also minus, this is the plus. Plus minus minus, so you have to subtract the number, then you will get here minus 3, because bigger digit is your minus 1. So you have to write here minus 3. Now you have to do remaining one, all questions of your question number 3. Use this way and if it will easy for you. Transpose the digit and you will get the answer correctly. Now question number 4, D1. This type of the question we have did so many. So here I am taking only one in question number 4. Okay, so first where you will see the 2 sign, you have to make a box there. Here I can see, and here is also I can see. And minus minus it become plus. Plus 77 minus 66 plus 55 plus 22. Now you know it. Solve this 2 part first. 77 minus 66 you can subtract easily, then you will get here 11, and bigger digit is a positive, so that is also came 11 plus. Now next one, you solve this 2 part. Now solve next one. plus 55 plus 22. Now easily you can add this three number. 55 plus 11, 66, 66 plus 2, 88. So your answer is 88. Okay. Now subtract question number 5. Subtract the first integer from the second. Subtract the first integer from the second. So which integer you have to take first? Second. पहले second integer लेना, फिर बाद में subtracting sign और first integer लिखना. This is the formula you have to put according to this one. Okay. सबसे पहले second integer फिर first. This is your first integer and this is your second integer. Okay. तो first we have to write second integer. Second integer, if it is negative, so you can write negative in negative, minus 19. Then this minus sign, okay. Then remaining first digit 34. Now you know the solution way, minus minus. Then you have to add, because minus minus plus. So you have to add this both digit, 98 plus 34, 2, 1, 3, 2. So your answer is 132. Which one is a bigger? Negative one. Then in answer is also came minus 32. Same way for second. This is the first integer. This is your second integer. So first you have to write 55. Then after negative sign. Then after minus 80. Okay. Now minus minus it become plus 55 plus 80. What is the answer? 5. 135 is your answer. Okay. Now this one, how can you do? This is your first number, this is your second number. So first number you have to write minus 199, then negative sign, then after remaining one integer minus 99. This minus minus it become plus 199 plus 99. This is the minus one integer, this is your plus integer. Minus plus it become minus. So you have to do minus in between of them, then you will get 100. And bigger digit is your negative, so then in answer you also mention negative sign. Okay, this is our question number 5. Now question number 6. Subtract the sum of minus 75 and minus 85 from minus 90. So first you have to do the sum of one part. So case 1 in step 1, step 2 you can use it this way. It will be easy for you. First you have to do step 1. Step 1 means the sum. इन दोनों के बीच का सबसे पहले सम करना है तुम्हें. So minus 75 plus minus 85. Okay. सम अपन कर रहे हैं इन दोनों के बीच का. Now you can see the both two sign together. Just convert into one sign. Same process. Minus 75 plus minus minus 85. Now this one is also minus, this one is also minus, minus minus plus. So you have to add the both number, then you will get 160. Okay. Bigger one digit is your negative, so then your answer is also came negative. Now step 2. What is the step 2? Subtract. You have to write the language. Okay. Subtract the sum of this. Already you have to solve, so you have to mention here your solution. Okay, no need to write again. You have to write only the solution of this number, this statement. So what is the solution of this statement? Minus 160. So instead of that I am writing minus 160 from minus 90. Okay, how can you write it? After from word whatever the digit I told you, so you have to write first minus 90, then subtraction sign, then after next one digit minus 160. Negative integer always write in bracket. Okay, here is the two sign, convert into one sign. So minus 90 plus 160. This one is your minus one digit, this is your plus digit. Now you have to plus minus minus. Subtract it from 160 to 90. 70. So your and bigger digit is your positive, so that in answer is also came positive sign. This is your answer of question number 6. Now question number 7. Subtract minus 4 from the sum of. Same process you have to do, but remember first digit you have to write the sum of one digit you have to write, and after that subtract your minus 4. This is your question number 7. Okay, this is the homework you have to do. Now question number 8, how can I do? Question number 8. Subtract the sum of minus 14 and 15 from the sum of minus 9 and 7. So here the sum of in between also, the sum of in between also. So we have to do first the sums part. Okay. How can you do it? Step 1. Okay. The sum of minus 14 and 15. So minus 14 plus 15. Okay. Now this one is your minus 1, this one is your plus. Minus plus minus. Then you will see 1 and bigger digit is a positive. Then in your answer is also positive. Step 2. The sum of minus 9 and 7. So minus 9 plus 7. This is the minus 1, this is the plus. Minus plus minus. You have to do minus in between of them. Then you will get 2. Bigger digit is your negative. So in your answer is also negative sign. Then step 3. Okay. Mention the sum of their word to their digits. Okay. Subtract. First word subtract. Okay. The sum of minus 14 and 15. What is it? Plus 1. So here I am writing plus 1. Okay. Then after from next one, the sum of minus 9 and 7. Instead of that, replace the answer of the digit minus 2. Okay. Instead of that solution I mentioned, then I got the new one statement, subtract 1 from minus 2. Then you know after from word that you will write first digit, then subtraction sign, then next one digit. So this one is a minus, this one is also minus, minus minus plus. Then your answer is again 3, and bigger digit is a negative, so then your answer is also negative. This is the question number 8 I am explaining you. Now question number 9. The sum of two integer minus 49, one of the integer is 35. Find the other. How can you do it? The sum of two integer. Suppose this is the first and this is the second integer. In the both of the sum is given. कितना दे रखा है? Minus 49. Minus 49. Okay. So I wrote here sum of two integer minus 49. उसमें से एक इंटीजर अपने पास में, वन ऑफ द इंटीजर इज गिवन. सपोज दिस द फर्स्ट इंटीजर और वो कितना है 35. ओके, वी आर फाइंडिंग हियर सेकंड वन. अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन? Here I am explaining in this way, but how can you write in your copy? You have to write like that. Sum of two integer is minus 49. One of the integer is another integer. So another integer is, how can you do it? Now see, transpose one method. We are finding this one. Okay, this one, this number you have to shift in this place. So this number is your positive. If you will shift in, if you will transpose in another one place, then it become with opposite sign. So here is a positive, वहाँ जाके क्या हो जाएगी नेगेटिव. So here you can write minus 49, then after plus नहीं आएगा, minus 35. Now here is also minus, this one is also minus, minus minus plus. तो प्लस कर दो, 49 में 35 को प्लस करो. So 84 with negative sign. Okay, so your answer is in question number 9 minus 84. Now next question number 10. This one is also homework, you have to do it. How can you do it? See, today the temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius. The forecast for tomorrow is for drop in temperature by 4 degree Celsius. Then it become drop. It become, this one is also minus 4 degrees centigrade. Okay, this temperature if you will show in digit, it become minus 4 degree centigrade. What will be the expected temperature tomorrow? So you have to add the both number. Today the temperature and according to the forecast temperature you have to add. For this one numerical I told you already -4. What is the today temperature? -2 degrees Celsius, and tomorrow it become -4 degree centigrade. Now you can solve. This one is also minus, this one is also minus, 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 plus. So you have to plus this number, then you will get here 6 degree centigrade, and bigger sign is your negative. So your answer is -6 degree Celsius. Language according to from this one you can write it. Okay.